Right, walk up the stairs or escalator. Pass the clown. Look for this big ticket machine, not the small ones. Screen with your finger. I always choose English in the top right corner. Tap that for English. On the first map you'll see, tap the general area of where you are going to. That will bring up another map of the stops in that area. Tap on the name of the stop you would like to go to. The price will be displayed on the right-hand side, near the bottom. Choose the number of tickets you would like to buy. Put your money into the machine. There's a slot for bills and a slot for coins. As you put coins or bills into the machine, the price value displayed will go down until you put in enough money to cover the cost. If the machine rejects your bills, try turning the bills upside down and insert it again. This usually works. If your bill is too wrinkled or dirty, you might have to use another bill, or just go up to the ticket counter and the person there will help you. When you have put enough money into the machine, it will spit out a ticket and your change into the tray below. Open the tray, grab your ticket and change, then walk over to the gate machine. Gently rub your ticket on the circle scanner thingy at the top of the machine, then walk through quickly. Keep your ticket handy. You'll need it to get through the exit gates when you get to your stop. Now walk to either side of the platform and look for this sign. Find the name of the stop you are going to. If the name is green, you are on the correct side of the platform. Go up the stairs or escalator and board your train. If the name is greyed out, you are on the wrong side. Go to the other side of the platform.
It's easy enough to get in here, but the hard part is figuring out which side you're supposed to get the train on. Well, that's why I had problems with when I first got here. I'm a fucking pro at it. No, it's just such an amazing system. It just really works well. It takes your money fast and it scans fast and those things open really fast. And I mean, there's 8 million people here in Bangkok, and this place is just rocking. All this equipment is used to dealing with it.
Oh. Go up the stairs or escalator and board your train.
Oh, that's the other side. I heard a train. I thought it was this side. But... okay. You're on camera everywhere here. And there's these things. People come out in the yellow ones and you're supposed to stand.
When you stand in line to board the train, line up on an angle from where the train doors will open. There are arrow signs on the floor to make this obvious.
Okay, I'm so glad to be back in Bangkok. I love it here. As soon as it's good.
Let people exit the train before you're bored, then walk on. Be polite and respectful of others. No eating or drinking. Remember to always offer your seat to the elderly mothers and especially to the monks. It's a sign of respect. Monks ride for free on the BTS.
I was telling a story there about buying jeans when I got here and how much weight I've lost. I got sidetracked by those Nepalese guys and their jovial, alcohol-inspired greeting and welcoming. So, yeah, I bought 2 pairs of jeans and 2 belts, and then I had to go back like a couple of days later. Actually, no, I bought 2 pairs of jeans and 1 belt, Had to go back a few days later to get an extra hole put in the belt. Typically, I just grab a kitchen knife and make my own hole, but you know, I wanted it stamped properly. It's a good belt. And I bought a black version of the same belt and got the same amount of holes put in that. So it already had the extra hole. And now I need another hole on both of the belts. Because my pants are falling down.
Listen out for the name of your stop. You will hear the most heard phrase in Thailand, Sartani.by. It means next station. So listen for Sartani.by plus the name of your station. Sartani.by Asok or Sartani.by Prompong. You can also look above the train doors. There is a display showing where the train is now and what the next stop is. Exit the train. If someone is in your way, say Kor Tud Kap. That means excuse me. Women say Kor Tud Ka. But that's another story. Saying Kor Tud alone would work too. Or just say excuse me in whatever language you speak. People will know what you mean. Once you are off the train, go down the stairs or escalator and head toward the exit gate machines. Put your ticket into the slot on the face of the machine and go through the gate quickly. If you have a big suitcase or extra baggage, there is usually a guard close by who will take your ticket and let you go through the manual exit, which is wide enough for your extra baggage. Don't forget to thank them. Say Kap Koon Kap if you are a man, or Kap Koon Ka if you are a woman. Kap Koon Kap or Kap Koon Ka. It means thank you. Now just go down the stairs or escalator, past the clown, and you are free to go.